Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about my 2015 BMW M3. So I bought this a couple months ago and it's been an awesome car, you know, my dream car. But I've been having issues when it's cold. So I wound up ordering another intake for it. I already had an aftermarket intake on the car. But when it's cold, I get a rough idle and I even got a check engine light for the car running lean. So if you guys can see, I have these aftermarket intakes that are in the front kidney grills. So when it's cold, the car idles really rough. So let's take a look. So I wound up getting this intake. It's VRSF, but the positioning of these intake cones is more of a stock position, unlike that one that goes in the front kidney grills. So let's try and install this and we'll see if it's any better. But yeah, this video is not going to be about the install or anything. I'm just going to update you guys if the car runs better when it's cold and it doesn't idle rough. So I'm going to try and show you guys the rough idle right now. So let's start the car up right now and we'll see how it idles. So it usually starts out pretty normal, but then it starts stuttering, so we'll see if it does it. So right now it's idling pretty good. It's not super cold today, so that's probably why. But I'm gonna include a clip from yesterday, near the end of how it was stuttering, and you guys will see what the issue is. But it's just, yeah, obviously it goes too close to dying. Oh, it did a little bit right now, but it goes close to dying, and then it just revs up, you know. And the check engine light I had was for the car running too lean. So we'll try these other intakes and I'll let you guys know if it's any better. So this is my current intake setup. I didn't install this, I bought this car like this. What is this, AFP intake? So yeah, it goes down here and they both come out the front. This one goes over here, also goes to the front. So I just feel like it's letting in a lot of warm, cold air when it's cold, and that's why it kind of idles rough. And if you look at any M3 forums, you know, other owners have the same issue. If you install a aftermarket intake on these cars, I guess that's a common issue. So yeah, I'll get rid of it. So one of the cones will go over here and the other one will go over here. So here it is, all done. Honestly, the biggest pain was removing the intakes out of the kidney grills. Removing the kidney grills and getting the intakes out of there was a pain. But here you go, it's the VRSF intake system. As you guys can see, this one goes more in the stock intake cone positions. So I'm hoping my rough idle when it's cold will be remedied with this intake system. So yeah, thanks for checking out my video, and I'll let you guys know in the comments if I'm still having the rough idle issue with this intake system. But yeah, make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, thanks for checking out this video. See you guys later.